Hands in chin, okay? Spine erect. Focus on your breath. Try to be absolutely steady. Just focus on your breath. Gently join your palms together to the heart center. Inhale deeply and exhale. We will chant Om 3 times. Inhale everyone together. Gently relax your hands and open your eyes. Morning everyone. We start with Kapalbhati, 100 counts. Very good. Start together. You can keep your hands at your comfort here. Yeah? Take 2 normal breaths. Twenty rounds Anulom below. Alternate nostril breathing. Start with your left nostril. Gently open your eyes. I request everyone to stand up, please. Both legs together. Stand in Sthit Pratnasana. And palms to the heart center. Stay here. Try to balance yourself physically and mentally. Keep breathing. Focus on your breath. We will do 3 sets of sun salutation. Everyone, gently open your eyes. Follow my counts. We are presently at number 1. 2. Inhale. Exhale down. Take your right leg behind. Look up. Both legs behind. Try to fix your palms here now, do not move it. Look to your abdomen. Knees locked. Try to touch your heels on the floor. If you are not comfortable, you can just micro bend your knees and show your tailbone up. Then you can straighten up your leg. Ashtanga Namaskara. Knee, chest, chin. Gently stretch your legs behind. Lift yourself up. Bhujangasana. Your elbow stays close to your body. And look up. Exhaling. Lift yourself up. Downward dog. Inhaling, left feet forward. You can rest your right leg or you can keep it in the air at your comfort. Exhaling, both legs together. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling. Notch. 2. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Take your left foot back. Look up. Exhaling downward dog. Mukha Savasana. Ashtanga Namaskara. In this position, 8 parts of our body touches the floor, our toes, knees, chest, chin and our palms. Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Lift yourself up, exhaling. Right leg forward. Look up, stretch yourself completely up. Exhaling, both legs together. Inhaling, come up. Stretch yourself back. And exhaling. feet goes. Lift your right leg up. Both legs are active. Press your right leg completely on your left thigh. And do not stay like this. Try to make this angle because there is a nice firm grip to stay. Once you are ready, you join your palms together and lift yourself up. Focus at one point. Stay here for 10 counts. Exhaling. Without looking down, support your back leg. Release. Same way. Lift your left leg up. Place it very firmly on the right leg side. Try to make this angle. And ready. Join your palms to the heart center. Stay here for 10 breaths. Right feet forward. Lift your hands up. And exhaling. Slowly, gently go down. Hold your ankle. Inhaling, raise your hands up. Change your leg, lift your forward. Inhaling, lift your hands up. Exhaling, down. Lift yourself up. Four feet distance, lifting your leg. Come on, one person can come first. Have a nice distance, at least 4 to 5 feet. Lift yourself, raise your arms in the position, and gently, without looking down, look in front. Drop yourself to the left side. Keep breathing, do not hold your breath. Slowly inhaling, come up and go to the other side. slowly forward. Inhale deeply. Exhaling. Forward. You can stay halfway, or if you want to go more. Inhaling, come up. Raise your right hand up. Stretch it fully, maximum. And go to the left side. Stretch yourself more up your hand. And look up. Relax your left shoulder. Raise your left hand. Relax your right shoulder. Lift your left hand maximum. When you're ready, exhaling, go down. Look up. With every inhalation, try to raise your hands more up. Your hand more up, left hand. Slowly turn your palm opposite. Have a backward rotation. And 1 feet distance, 15 your leg. Balancing with right hand. Inhale up. Focus at one point. Stretch your hands forward up. Relax your left shoulder. And come back slowly. Inhaling, left hand up. Relax your right shoulder. Backward rotation. Same with both the hands. Inhale, both hands up. Stay here for 5 breaths. And exhaling, turn your arms and up. Right hand forward. Inhaling, up. This time try to take your hands behind your ears. Look in front, exhaling, slowly come down. Trikonasana. You ready? Try to keep both your knees together, knees locked. Slowly lift your left hand up. Stretch it completely. And slowly your leg goes up and your hand goes down. Slowly, very slowly. Feel the movement. Keep breathing. And inhaling. Same with your left leg. Have a nice strong grip on your leg. Both knees together, knees locked. When you are ready, lift your right hand up. Stretch it fully. And exhale. Go down. throw your shoulders back. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath. And exhale. Take one more deep breath. And exhaling, surrender yourself. When you're done, relax your hands, relax your shoulders. With every exhalation, try to touch the floor. Try to go more down. Slowly look at the support of your hand. Inhale, raise yourself up. One more time. Now you can change the position of your leg. Pull your shoulders back to your chest forward. Inhaling and exhaling. Surrender yourself. And you lift yourself up. Try to cross your legs. Crossing. Try to let your knees next to each other. Knees. Everyone come forward. Then go back. The leg which is up and goes up. Elbow facing ceiling. Keep your eyes closed. Stay here for at least 1 minute. And gently release. Now take your right foot to stand. Now, raise your right hand up. Elbow facing ceiling. Keep your eyes closed. Gently release. You are sitting in Dandasana. Place your arms next to your hips and lift yourself up. We are sitting like this. Place your palms here, your fingers, lift yourself up. Yes. Now, gently release your hands and take your hands up. Inhale exhaling, go forward. Paschimottanasana. Keep your hands, if you can hold your big toe. Try to touch your head on your knees. Slowly lift yourself up very gently. Everyone, lie down on your back. And your palms facing down. And inhaling, lift your right leg up to 90 degrees. Try to lock your knees. Exhaling down to 30 degrees. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, stay here, hold your leg. Keep breathing, focus on your breath, do not focus on your pain. Stay there for 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale down. Inhaling, lift your left leg up. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, stay here for 5 breaths. Stay here, do not drop. Keep breathing. Stay here. Focus on your breath. One, 2, 3, 4, keep your palms under your back, palms facing down, support your back, inhaling, lift your both legs up to 90 degrees. Try to keep your knees locked. Do not bend your knees. Exhaling down, both legs on the floor, yes. Very gently, do not give any jerks. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Whenever we are going up, just go with the straight leg. Do not bend your leg. Do not bend your knees. So go with the straight leg. Inhale up. This time lift your head up. Exhaling only, leg go down, head will stay up. Inhale up. Head stays up. Only your leg go down. Exhale down. Inhale up. Stay here. I'll count 5. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands in T position or hands under your head. Hold your legs, try to touch your knees. on your hips. Now your legs goes towards your right side and your head goes towards your left. Keep both the legs on each other. When you come in center, your leg goes towards your left and your head towards your right. Come in center. Hold your right leg, press it towards yourself completely. Press it towards yourself completely. And when you are ready, you can lift your head up and try to touch your. Yes, ready, everyone? Yeah. Try to touch your chin on your knee. Keep your eyes closed and have at least 3 to 5 breaths. Your left leg is completely stretched. And gently release. Lift your left leg. Hold it very tight and press it towards yourself, towards your chest. Once you are ready, you can lift your head up. Try to touch your chin on your knee. And slowly release. Hold both your legs together. Try to have a grip to your elbow. Try to hug yourself. Whenever you hug someone, you hug very tight, right? So try to hug yourself very tight. Hold your elbows if you can. And once you are ready, you can lift your head up. Try to touch your chin to your knees. It's okay wherever you can reach. Every body has a different capacity. Respect your body limits. Do not hold your breath. Keep breathing. Exhaling, release. Listen. Hold your ankle. Legs together. And inhaling, lift yourself up. Try to touch your chin to your neck, to your chest. And exhaling, slowly come down. The second time we will be on our toes. We will lift our heels up and we will try to press more our back to go more up. Inhaling, everyone together. You can press with the fist or you can press with your palms. Focus on your abdomen, keep breathing. And slowly down. Everyone करनी. Everyone, lie down on your abdomen. Hello. A very nice way of releasing pain from your back, relaxing your back. The palms next to your chest. Elbows close to your body. Legs stretched. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhaling, keep it down. Now this time, open your palms, hold your fingers, keep it next to your shoulder, open completely. Have a nice firm grip here and lift yourself completely up. Have a distance between your leg and slowly turn your head and look to your right leg here. Come in center, go towards your left and look to your left leg heel. Come in center and slowly go down. Your palms next to your thighs, palms facing down. Salabhasana. Lift your right leg up and down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. 2 more time, up, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Left leg, inhale up, down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up, down. One more time. And down. Keep your palms under your thighs. Take a nice deep breath. And exhale. Inhaling both legs together. Exhaling down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Hold your legs. Stay here for 30 seconds. Keep breathing. Stretch your hands forward. And everyone ready to fly. Inhaling, your hand and leg goes up in the air, only your stomach on the floor. With no question. Inhale up. Keep breathing. Fly, fly, paragliding. Exhaling down. We will do 3 sets. First set will be 5, second will be 15, third will be 20. Yes or no? No? Let's try. Inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Take a deep breath and exhale. Inhaling up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Down. And everyone ready for the last one? Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Inhale up. If you are ready, I start counting.
Yes.
Everyone ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20. Lift yourself up and relax in Sashangasana. Slowly lift yourself up and lie down on your back. Just surrender yourself completely from top to bottom. Relax yourself completely. Just let go everything. And for next few minutes, no physical movements. Be mentally aware. Just try to listen to me carefully, mentally. Do not move physically. I'll guide you through different parts of your body to relax yourself physically and mentally. I take my attention to my right leg. My right leg is completely surrendered to the earth. And my right leg is completely relaxed. I take my attention to my left leg. My left leg is completely surrendered to the earth. And my left leg is completely relaxed. I take my attention to my right hand. My right hand is completely surrendered to the earth. And my right hand is completely relaxed. I mentally take my attention to my left hand. And my left hand is completely relaxed. I mentally take my attention to my lower back. My whole spine is completely surrendered to the earth. I take my mental attention to each and every vertebra of my spine. And my whole spine, my whole back back is absolutely relaxed. I take my attention to my abdomen, breathing very normally. And I relax my abdomen. Moving upward, I take my attention to my chest. And my chest is completely relaxed. Take my attention to my neck. My lips, my ears, tip of the nose, my eyes, center of my eyebrows, my forehead, I take my attention to my whole face. And my whole face is completely relaxed. I take my attention to my whole body, from head to toe, and my whole body is completely relaxed. Mentally scan your body from top to bottom. If you feel complete, make some gentle movements to your fingers, to your toes, and very gently turn to one side, keeping your eyes closed. Stay there for a few moments. Gently take support of your hand and gracefully pick yourself up and sit in a comfortable posture, keeping your eyes closed. Join your palms to heart center. Inhale deeply and exhale. We'll chant Om for 3 times. Inhale, everyone together. We thank the universe to share this space and have a beautiful practice of yoga here. We promise ourselves to be happy and make others happy around us. So becomes and touch your eyes. Stay here for a few moments. Exhaling, release your hand. You can open your eyes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.